It's odds after the India strike in the Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and right now we are heading towards the Palanwala. This is in the Akhnur sector and this is the area of the line of control. Akhnur has the area of line of control as well as the international border, and the roads here, they are wearing a deserted look. It was never like this because we have been traveling on these roads for last at least 2 weeks. We have been frequent travelers on these roads, and the traffic has never been like this. It used to take at least 5 to 7 minutes for us to just cross this path, but now the things are completely changed. These roads are wearing a deserted look. The people, they actually have gone inside their houses. They don't want to go out because there lies a possible threat that Pakistan will also retaliate to what it has faced. The way Pakistan has been pushed by the Indian army, the way the Pakistani terror camps have been hit, 9 of their terror camps, and that too deep inside to 100 kilometers. That is something that the Pakistan actually cannot accept. And this is the route that we are traveling in. This area is also prone to the Pakistani shelling. Though Pakistan has carried out intense shelling in the area of Poonch, the Akhnur has been a limited engagement between the two armies. Now that as we move, we are actually going to Palanwala, because in Palanwala there is a report that the locals are now being evacuated. They are being evacuated from their homes, being taken to the safer locations after the meeting that was held by the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir with all 20 Deputy Commissioners of Jammu and Kashmir and the Deputy Commissioner of the border districts, that are primarily 5 districts of Jammu and Kashmir. 5 from the Jammu, it's Jammu, Kathua, Samba and Rajouri and Poonch, and in Kashmir Valley it's Bandipora, a bit of Bandipora, then it's the Kupwara and Baramulla. That the deputy commissioners have been asked to ensure that the locals, those who are still there, they are removed at an earliest from the vulnerable places, because had they been there at the time of the strike or the Pakistani retaliation, it will be causing damage to their lives and the properties. What we have witnessed in the Poonch has witnessed a large scale damage. 10 lives have been lost so far, over 30 have been injured. Many of the houses have completely been damaged because Pakistan, what they are doing, they are targeting the civilian areas. This time it's not that the civilians are getting the splinters from any other hit, but it is the direct impact on the civilian houses, on the civilians by the Pakistan, because Pakistan, what they want is complete disruption in the region. Now that Pakistan has been given a befitting reply, Pakistan says that they will avenge this, they will retaliate at their own time of choosing, and that's why an alert is being maintained across Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. With Sir Jeevan Kumar, Gursimran Singh for Republic Digital.